Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in CREO software. The diameter is 65 and 32, height is 55 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select the top plane, sketch, select circle, (32) and 65. Finish sketch, extrude up to 55 mm. Select front plane again, sketch, the diameter is 35 mm, distance from the center is 120 mm. Select center line, select the circle 35, this is 120. Select a reference, select this circle, OK. Select line, give the tangent constraint, select this and this, this and this. Select circle, diameter is 15 mm. Select circle again, create reference circle. Delete segment, delete this and this. Finish sketch, extrude up to 15 mm. Next there is one rib, for that select front plane, sketch, select the reference lines, line, create sketch like this, create here center line also. The distance from here to here is 100 mm. So finish sketch, select rib, thickness is 12 mm. OK. Next select the front top plane, sketch, the distance from the center is 70 mm and this is 28 mm. Reference circle, select here rectangle, this is 28 mm. Distance from the center is 70 mm. Create circle, delete segment, finish sketch, extrude up to 30 mm. Select round, 15 mm is OK. Next there is one hole, select this face, sketch, create one hole, diameter 12 mm. Finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, here you can select through hole. That's it friends. So you can compare with the drawing. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below. We can assign the material here, appearances, name and thumbnails. So you can see there are so many materials: brass, aluminum, bronze. So which material suitable you can assign here. I will go with standard steel. Select the entire body. Okay. Can more appearances, can assign color also here with the wheel. Again we can edit model appearances, color, like this. We can change this also. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also once again requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.